How to become a Skillshare teacher. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can become a Skillshare teacher. Becoming a Skillshare teacher is an exciting opportunity to share your skills and knowledge with a global audience. So it's worth a try. So how do you do this? The major way to become a Skillshare teacher is to apply and be approved by the Skillshare team. Okay, so you have to apply and you have to be approved. And then how do you apply? The major way you can apply is by reaching out to the help center. And how do you reach out to the help center? After logging in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. And then in the drop down menu, scroll down and click on help, which is found under redeem perks and below and above sign out. So just click on help and then you wait for the help centers page to load. Once it has loaded and you're brought to the help centers page, the next step is for you to scroll down, and then on this page you can see options like students, questions that students ask, questions that teachers ask, questions that teams ask. So yeah, instead of going through the articles, you can just go ahead and click on the contact us option, which is located by the left side of the screen. So by clicking on contact us, you can see contact us, how can I get in touch with Skillshare? Then click on that and then you'll be brought to the page. And on this page, you can see the two major way, which is either through email or through submitting a ticket. So you can just go ahead and click on help@skillshare.com and then you'll be redirected to the email, and then you can send an email to this Skillshare support team and then tell them how that you'd like to apply to be a teacher and the conditions based on what you'd like to teach would be given to you. And if you're eligible, you can go ahead and apply and do whatever is necessary and you're good to go. Or you can decide to submit a ticket by clicking on the submit a ticket option. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to a page where you'll be asked to submit a request. So you have to select one of these. It is the general question, is it a technical question, billing, or whatever. For this case, the general question, so click on that and then you can now scroll down, enter in your email address, your name, the subject, which is that you would like to apply to be a teacher, give a summary of your issue, select if you're a student or a teacher. For now, you're still a student, so ensure you select student, attach files if needed, then click on submit and then wait for a response in your email. So this is how it works. This is how you can apply to be a teacher or how you can become a Skillshare teacher. Thanks for watching and have a good day.